In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Wise to a Bkash account in Bangladesh. First, open the Wise app and log in. On the home screen, tap Send. Choose the currency you're paying from, then set the recipient's country to Bangladesh. Wise will then show you different payout options like bank account or Bkash/mobile wallet. Select Bkash account or mobile money/e-wallet when you see it. Next, add your recipient. Enter their full name and their Bkash mobile number. Wise usually needs the number in international format, starting with 880 followed by the local number. For example, 8801X. Make sure the name and number match the Bkash account or the transfer may fail. Now type the amount you want to send. Wise will show you the fee, the exchange rate, how much BDT your recipient will get, and an estimated arrival time. There are daily and monthly limits for sending to Bkash, and Wise will warn you if you go over them. If everything looks correct, tap Confirm and Send. Once the transfer is processed, the money will land directly in your recipient's Bkash wallet, ready for them to spend or cash out. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.